Hey, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to Infamous and Enigmatic. So Lai and I finally made it up to near Vermont. We're actually in the Madame Cherry Forest near Pisgah State Park in New Hampshire.
Whoa.
This is a castle.
Was.
Or it was a castle. This reminds me of the thing that they had to climb up in Aladdin. Oh yeah.
Check it out. The whole thing collapses. We should go to a Babwa.
That place doesn't even exist.
I know, right?
Oh, this is cool.
I like how the guy told the story in the beginning was actually the genie.
I know,
Is
right?
that like that in the original Aladdin?
Kind of.
I don't remember.
So yeah, this is the Madame Cherry abandoned castle. See up there, this is Mill City.
Huh?
It says up there, Mill City. I don't know what that means.
Where?
Over there.